Hey everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an opt-in page and how to create a subscriber form in Autoresponder, then connect the form with the opt-in page. So in our previous video we already shown you how to create funnels and how to create the thank you page. So now I am in the funnel section. You can see that I need to add new step from here to create the opt-in page. So I'm going to click add new step. So we need to put here the page name here. So we're going to put page name, to put here the path. Then we just need to click on create funnel step. Alright, the step is created. Now we need to click on edit. Now we need to build our opt-in page from this page builder section. So I have already created an opt-in page. You can see that this is a demo page. So I'm going to show you how to create an opt-in page like this. So we need to go to the page builder section and we need to select a section from here. I'm going to select the full weight section. Alright, now I need to add a background image for my opt-in page. So you can see that here we have used this image. So I'm going to use the same image. So you can add background image from here. I'm going to add the background image by putting the image URL. So this is our background image. Just copy the link and paste the image URL here, and our background image is added. We can also upload image from here. So now we need to add row here. Just click on add row and we need on column. So I'm going to put just copy the text and click on add element here. Now I'm going to select a sub headline and paste the text here. Now we need to add this headline in our opt-in page. So I'm going to just copy this and I'm going to add another element from here. Just select headline, then I'm going to paste the text here. Now we need to customize it and we're going to change the text from here. 55 will be okay. Alright, now we're going to make the text like this. The text is added, you can see that. Now we can add some margin here. We're going to make this 60 and this one also 60. Now the text looks perfect. So we need to now add this text from here. Just copy it, add new element and paste the text here. Now we need to make it bold and we're going to change the color of this text. We're going to change the color from here. So now we need to add this section in our opt-in page. So let me show you how. Let's go back to our page builder and from here just click on add new column, and we need, now for the first section we need to add the zip file. Just click on add element and scroll down, select image, then we're going to put the URL here. So we need to copy the URL from here and we need to paste it here. This is added. Now we need to add this section in our opt-in page. I'm going to copy and click on add element. Now I'm going to select the sub headline and paste the text here. Now I'm going to change the size of this text. Now we are going to add some margin here. So this is okay now. Now we need to add the bullet point like this. So we're going to add new element. From here you need to select the bullet list and we need to copy the bullet list. Just copy it and paste it here. So we need to customize it. We're going to bold this text and this one also. Now we are going to change the icon from here. So we can change the icon from the icon picker. So this is the icon picker section. We are going to select this icon and we're going to change the color of the icon. So this is how we can add the bullet list. So I'm going to add the rest. Just click on add new element, select bullet list, and I'm going to copy the text from here and paste it here. Then I'm going to customize it, change the icon from here and change the icon color. Cool. Now add new element, select the bullet list and copy the text from here, paste it here and customize the text. Now change the icon from here, change the icon color from here. So the bullet list has been added. Now we need to add a button in our opt-in page like this. So from the page builder just click on add new element from here and select button from here. Now we are going to change the button title from here. I'm going to change the button title from here. It will be watch the training. Now I'm going to add some margin here. Perfect. Now we are going to change the button theme from here, and we are going to select this one. Alright, that looks nice. And we can also add the button effect from here. Just go to the advanced section and select the button effect from here. Alright, now it looks good. So we need to add the bottom text in our opt-in page. Just copy it, and we're going to add new column from here. We're going to select the and click on add element. We're going to add the paragraph from here, and we're going to paste here our text. Now we need to change the size of this text. You can change the size from here. Just click on save, and we need to add the subscriber form in our opt-in page. So now I'm going to show you how to create a subscriber form in your autoresponder and connect it with your opt-in page. So we are in the dashboard of our autoresponder, and to create the sign up form we need to go to the pages and form section, and we need to go to the sign up form section. So from here we can create a sign up form. So I'm going to just click on create a sign up form, and it will be for my website. So now we need to design the subscriber form. We can select the template from the template gallery. There are lots of templates, so we're going to select a simple one, and we can customize the form from here. So these are the things that we will need to customize. We can customize the header part, body part, labels, inputs, links, submit button, and the footer section. So we don't need this part, so I'm going to click on delete, and we also don't need this part, and we need to change the size. So now we need to customize the body of our form. So from here we can change the background color, we can change the border type, also we can add background image if we want to add, and then we can change the padding from here. So now let's go to the label section, and we can customize the label from here. We can change the color from here, then go to the input section. So from here we are going to make this 18, then we can go to the links section, and we can customize it from here. Then go to the submit button section. We can change the color from here, so we're going to change the color and just click on OK. Now we're going to change the submit button position, so we're going to keep it in the middle. So this is how we can customize the form, save the form, and go to the step 2. And from here we need to put our thank you page link, which will be custom page URL. So this is our thank you page link, and we're going to put the link here. Also we're going to the link here. Then we need to click on save and go to the step 3. From here we need to select this one, go to the raw HTML, and we need to copy our form code, and we need to go back to our funnel page builder section, and from here we need to go to the pop-up settings and click on add row column, click on add element, and we need to select code from here, and we need to click on open code editor and paste our subscriber form code here and click on save. Now we need to click on save from the page builder. Alright, so our opt-in page is ready. Now let's preview the page. So this is our opt-in page, and if we click on this watch the training button, we can see that the subscriber form is here. So if someone subscribed from this page, they will be in our email list in our autoresponder. Also they will get the thank you page that we built. So our opt-in page is fully ready. Now let's go back to our funnel. As you can see, our funnel is ready now, and we have created the opt-in page, also the thank you page inside our funnel. So this is how you can create opt-in page, thank you page, and you can also create subscriber form inside your autoresponder and connect it with your funnel. So thanks for watching this video.